Hello kids, my name is Jatin. Now we are going to draw a sparrow which is sitting on a branch with the help of lines and shapes. It is specially for the kids with the lines and the shapes. Now one slanting line going towards down, one curve to the middle, to the upper middle, not up to this limit. Now one more curve starting from this point, not from this point, start from this point. This is a neckline which is connected with chest and stomach. So from this point, one curve touching to the end line. Now one more curve touching to the end line. This is a wing portion, this is a stomach portion, this is a face portion. Now one more slanting line going towards upside, one more slanting line going towards upside, one curve line as a finishing of our tail, one slanting line going towards downside, one more slanting line connected towards a first slanting line, one at a center, one small eyes with a shape of circle and one lens small inside, one slanting line going towards outside, again coming towards inside, again same thing, slanting line going towards outside, coming towards inside, and my ground which I am going to make with one slipping line from the top page, from the starting page to end page. My sparrow is done. Few grains, if you want to make it, you can make it grains, few grains for its food. Now I am going to take it light brown color. Take your light brown color, ochre yellow, ya to light brown color, anyone you can take it. Now fill inside, first do border. First border, fill border inside, even also wing portion border. Now fill inside. Here it is a curve, so I am filling in a curve position and do it slowly so color cannot get outside. Even I am doing in a curve position because wings are in a curve position. Now I am finishing my wing as well as my stomach portion. It is finished. Now I am coming to face. Cover the face with a curve line and one slanting line. Fill inside. My eyes is done. Now I am going towards tail. Our home sparrow is found in light brown color, so I am taking a ochre yellow color. As well as light brown color is also in a similar tone, so you can use it light brown as well as ochre yellow too. Now curve and one more slanting line. Fill it inside slowly. It is thin portion. Now a land, I want to show a land as a grassy land, so light green color, few light green color, and if I need a shading then yellow color in downside. I am going to do a shading, few light green color. Now I am going to do yellow color downside, so a fresh grass will be there. Now if you need a proper toning, take your cloth, cover your finger and dribble it few times for making a single tone color. A grassy look you will get it. My mix up is done. Will be of red color. My big is done. Here your sparrow is done, kids. You can make it in your drawing book, in your scrapbook, as well as in your project book too. Anyways, take care, kids. Enjoy the drawing. Bye.